This video I will explain how to recognize fake UPI request. Scammers often try to trick people by sending fake UPI requests on Google Pay and other UPI apps. These requests are designed to make you press the wrong button or approve payment without realizing it. If you learn how to identify this fake request, you can protect your money easily. First one is a request asking you to pay instead of receiving money. A very common scam works like this. The scammer says, I am sending you the money. Just approve the request. But instead of sending you the money, they send the payment request asking you to pay them. You have to always remember, if someone wants to send you money, you do not need to approve anything. Money comes automatically to your account. If the request says pay, it means you are sending money, not receiving it. The second one is the request comes from an unknown person. If you receive a payment request from someone you do not know, be careful. Genuine requests usually come from people you trust, such as friends, family, shops you visited, services you used. Anything else is suspicious. Third one is a request as a large amount or strange amount. Scammers often send requests like random large amounts, numbers that looks unusual, very high or very low values. If you are unsure why someone is asking for money, decline the request. Fourth one is the person tells you to ignore the name shown on the screen. Google Pay always shows the verified name of the person requesting money. If someone says things like, don't worry about the name, just accept it, it's me, the name looks different due to technical issue, then this is the major warning sign. Never trust anyone who asks you to ignore what Google Pay displays. Fifth one is the request comes with pressure or urgency. Scammers try to create fear or panic so that you act quickly without thinking. They may say, approve it now. You will lose your offer. Your account will be blocked. I am in an emergency. Genuine people do not rush you or force you. Sixth one is the request comes after clicking a suspicious link. Sometimes scammers send you the link on WhatsApp, SMS, and social media. When you click it, it leads to a fake page or triggers a payment request. Always avoid clicking unknown links and you have to use the Google Pay app directly instead. Seventh one is the request comes without any reason. If you are not expecting a payment or you did not shop anywhere, use a service, order something, borrow money, give someone your UPI ID, then the request is suspicious. Do not accept it. Eighth one is the request uses fake business names. Scammers may create fake names that look like real companies, such as GPay Help, Support Team, Refund Department, Customer Care Payment, etc. Real companies never send UPI request asking for money. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.